Hey guys, welcome back to this SQL tutorial series. In this session, we'll learn how to create, use and drop a database. So this is the syntax to create a database in SQL. We will give in the keywords create, database, and then give the name of the database which you want to create. So let's go ahead and create a database in SQL. So let's create a first database, guys. So I will give in the keywords create, database, and let's say I want to name the database as happy. Right? So I'll put a semicolon over here. I'll hit execute. So see that commands have been completed successfully. Now let me hit refresh over here. So initially we just had two databases, Igneous and Sparta. After implementing this command create database happy, we have successfully created a new database happy. Now after we have created a database, we need to know how to select a database from our existing list of databases. So we have the use database statement for this. All we have to do is give the keyword use and then state the name of the database. Now this database which you selected remains default until the end of a session or execution of another use statement with some other database. So if I put my mouse pointer over here, so you see that currently we are using the Sparta database. So now I want to use the happy database instead of the Sparta database. So I will write the command for that, use. And then after that I need to give in the database which would be happy. I'll press semicolon, I'll hit execute. So again commands have been completed successfully. So now we see that the database has changed from Sparta to happy. So currently we are inside the happy database. Now we'll see how to delete a database, or in other words how to drop a database. So we have to give in the keywords drop database and then specify the name of the database which you want to drop. So now I want to drop this Igneous database. So let me write the command for that. Drop database and then the name of the database is Igneous. So I'll press semicolon over here. I'll hit execute. So again commands have been completed successfully. Now I'll hit refresh. So we have only two databases, happy and Sparta. So the database Igneous has been dropped. So this is how we can create, use and drop a database. In the next class, we'll learn about data types in SQL. So thanks for attending the session. Let's meet in the next class.